This is a video about how to write a definition essay. So here we are, somebody's definition essay, and in this case, the student is defining the word courage. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to notice that the last sentence of the first paragraph is the thesis statement. So this student used courage can be defined as confidence in the face of doubt, positive illusions on the front line of dangerous professional careers, and fortitude in a time of death, grief, and suffering. And so this is the thesis statement, which states the main idea of your essay as the last sentence of the first paragraph. So you need to Google funnel introduction paragraph. And so you'll notice that for the thesis statement, the first part of the thesis statement deals with confidence. And therefore, the first paragraph that matches the thesis statement, has to do with confidence, is the first example of a definition of courage is confidence. And so your first paragraph, first body paragraph, must match your thesis statement. Next in the thesis statement, it talks about positive illusions in the front line of dangerous careers. Therefore, the second definition of courage is positive illusions in dangerous careers, such as being a soldier, being a firefighter. In other words, in order to if you have a dangerous career, it takes courage to pursue that career. And so you have positive illusions of these of that career. And so that the second paragraph then matches with positive illusions, which is in your thesis statement. All right. The third paragraph is about courage being fortitude. Okay. Fortitude is the strength courage provides during painful situations in life, such as being diagnosed with cancer, watching a loved one dying, or heartbreak. And that it matches with the third part of the thesis statement, fortitude in the time of death, grief, and suffering. And so you're going to place your thesis statement as the last sentence of the first paragraph. And this thesis statement will then exactly match your body paragraphs. Your body paragraphs are all the paragraphs that are in the middle of your essay. Last but not least, you need to put in your conclusion paragraph. So I would write in conclusion. And then what I'm going to do is I will copy and paste my thesis statement from the beginning. All right, and then we place it as the first sentence. So the first sentence of the last paragraph is also the thesis statement. So in conclusion, courage can be defined as confidence in the face of doubt, positive illusions on the front line of dangerous professional careers, and fortitude in the time of death, grief, and suffering. So you place your thesis statement as the first sentence of the last paragraph. And then your last paragraph summarizes everything that was in the essay. Last but not least, you have your works cited page. Make sure that each of the references are in alphabetical order. And make sure that your works cited page is situated right after your paper. So to summarize, a definition essay defines a word. It defines a word based on your definition of the word, not a dictionary definition of the word. For this student, her thesis statement was the last sentence of her first paragraph. Courage can be defined as confidence, positive illusions in dangerous careers, and fortitude in a time of grief. And then she matched her paragraphs, to the thesis statement. Confidence, confidence, then positive illusions to positive illusions, and then fortitude got matched up with fortitude. So basically, when I tell you when I grade your paper, you need a thesis statement with matching body paragraphs. This is known as the 5-paragraph essay structure. And this is all I'm trying to teach you at this moment. For all the essays in this class, we'll use the 5-paragraph essay structure. In week 8, I will go over, but what if I have an essay that's longer than 5 paragraphs? And then I have a video called Beyond the 5-Paragraph Essay Structure, which addresses this topic. This ends my video on how to write a definition essay using the 5-paragraph essay structure.